In today's video, I'll teach you how to generate AI image in Messenger. So first of all, open the Messenger application. You can see over here Messenger has been opened. Now in Messenger, you'll be able to use the Meta AI in order to generate the image. So what you have to do is simply go to any chat, or you can also tap on this icon that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be able to chat with the Meta AI, or you can simply tap on any chat of your choice. Now after you do that, tap on the message bar that you can see at the bottom. Now what you have to do is simply type in this command /imagine. You'll be able to find this option for imagine over here. Simply tap on it. Now after you do that, what you have to do is enter the prompt of your image. You can simply enter the detailed prompt over here. After you enter the prompt, tap on the send icon in order to send the message. Now wait for a while. It might take a while for Meta AI to generate the image for you. It depends on your internet connection. Now after a while, you can see over here the image will be generated by the Meta AI. So like this, you'll be able to generate the AI images. So that is how you generate AI images on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.